Samanic Art Metal Yamna Sakaknaraba Serpent of Pakangba Band Northeast India ge ahanbo oina hayeng Luwangsangban laiba venue by Els ta isay nongmai gi thorom ama pangthoklagani. Extreme Entertainment na sindana pangthokodariba thorom asika mari lenena ngasi Lambulen ta laiba Hotel Imoles ta pangthokiba pawgi mi famamada band asige founders oiriba multi instrumentalist Visal J Singh na haikibada maitei gi ariba puari singamadi malem gi leiriba tribe makal kaya gi tongan-tongan ba instrument singa amato oina punsinduna semliba music band amani. Band asina ahanbo oina lamdam asigi iraymang Innocent Eyes The Square amade ate music band kaya galinina pangthokodariba isay nongmai gi thorom asibu miyamna saruk yaminaduna mapung fahansi haiki. Amaromda band asigi vocalist oiribi Takako Haremaki na haikibada sound gi maramda ancient linguistic tamlakpa ama oina music na miyoibada piriba itil kaya amade Japan amasong Manipur animakta dragon deity lakpa kaya asina lamdam asida lakpa fangbada yamna harau tayamba fungdoki.
Our music's core sound comes from the ancient roots of Meitei, and we combined different elements into our music. One thing I would like to clear is we're not a folk band. We're a shamanic art band. When we say shamanic roots belongs to every tribe in the world, including Meitei tribe.
The moment that I walked into the hotel, I saw the statue of Pakamba, and since we're really channeling our individual energy to be speaking, delivering messages or of Akash have said, bringing all these shamanic culture that could be dying, but you want to hand all these beautiful, powerful things to the younger people.